Mastering modal verbs. Should, ought to, and had better. Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into the world of modal verbs, specifically focusing on should, ought to, and had better. These verbs are frequently used when giving advice in English. The interesting part is that they each come with their own level of formality and tone, which can add nuanced meaning to your sentences. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of these modal verbs together. Should, ought to, and had better are modal verbs used for giving advice or suggestions. But they are not always interchangeable because of the differences in their formality and tone. Should is the most neutral and common among them. It can be used in formal and informal situations. For example, you should drink plenty of water every day. Ought to is more formal and less commonly used. It's often found in written English or formal speeches. For example, we ought to respect our elders. Had better is the strongest and most urgent of the three, often indicating a warning or a threat of negative consequences. For example, you had better finish your homework before your parents come home. Let's delve deeper into the differences in formality and tone among these modal verbs. Should is the gold standard for giving advice. It's versatile and fits in both formal and informal situations. It's neither too strong nor too weak. Ought to is less frequently used and carries a slightly higher level of formality. It sounds more like a moral or ethical obligation. However, in spoken English, it's often replaced by should. Had better has a distinctive tone of urgency or warning. It can come off as too strong in casual or polite conversations. Use it sparingly and only when the situation demands urgency or highlights potential negative consequences. Now, let's practice using these modal verbs in different situations. I'll present a situation, and your job is to decide which modal verb fits best. Let's try 1. Situation. You're advising your friend about good health habits. 2. Advice. You _____ eat a balanced diet. 3. Situation. Your younger brother hasn't done his chores and your parents will be home soon. 4. Advice. You _____ clean your room right now. 5. Situation. You're in a business meeting, discussing the company's ethical responsibilities. 6. Advice. Our company _____ uphold the highest standards of integrity. Think about these situations and choose the appropriate modal verb. Should, ought to, or had better. Great job, everyone! Understanding and choosing the correct modal verb can be a game changer in your English conversations. It helps you express your thoughts accurately and in a more nuanced way. Remember, practice is key. So, keep practicing these verbs in different contexts to get a better feel for them. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy learning!